Have you been denied for a loan, stuck with a high interest rate, or held back by your credit? That's where Credit Saint comes in. We've helped more than 250,000 clients overcome credit problems, and we're ready to help you do the same. With nearly 20 years of experience, we've mastered credit reporting laws and developed powerful dispute strategies that deliver results. So how does the repair process actually work? Well, first, you'll enter your info during sign up, and we'll instantly and securely get your credit report for you. Then, we'll analyze your report to identify the items hurting your score. But we don't just look at each item in isolation. We spot patterns across your credit to create a smarter, more efficient approach. From there, we'll ask a few quick questions to understand your situation, because effective credit repair is never one size fits all. We then craft custom, professional disputes tailored to your credit profile and send them to all 3 credit bureaus for you. And we don't hold back. While many companies challenge only a few items at a time, we go further, disputing every eligible item, every cycle on our most aggressive plan. Once disputes are submitted, credit reporting laws require the bureaus to investigate. If they can't verify an item is accurately reported, they must remove it or correct it. This is what helps improve your credit score. But we don't stop there. We follow up relentlessly, pushing for corrections to move your credit in the right direction. As soon as you're signed up, you'll get immediate access to your personal credit repair portal, where you can track your progress, understand what's changing, and learn about credit. We've got your back from day one. Our dedicated support team is always right here for you. And the best part is, you can get started risk-free. If you don't see questionable items removed in the first 90 days, you'll get 100% of your money back with our 90-day money-back guarantee. So why keep waiting? Let Credit Saint handle the hard work so you can move forward with confidence.